Hello, I am back. Or something. Today, I'll show you what it's like of a full sound of a goddamn chainsaw. I'll show you. Just give me time. Oh no. We will be right back. Alright, we have come back. We don't have the coverage because we cannot find it. Damn it. I cannot even find... What? Damn it! I'll get the new batteries or something. Be right back. I'm back. We're back. I have now fully replaced batteries of the toy chainsaw. Now, let's begin the full sound, shall we? Hit it! Okay, that's it. It's done. Okay, go watch another video or something. I do not know. Okay, whatever. I'm out.